Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the realm of DIY projects, crafting, woodworking, and countless other creative endeavors, having a tool that seamlessly combines precision, power, and versatility is paramount. This is where Rotary Tools emerge as the unsung heroes of the toolkit, offering an array of functionalities that can adapt to the demands of various tasks. From intricate detail work to heavy-duty applications, Rotary Tools have solidified their place as indispensable companions for hobbyists, artisans, and professionals alike. Rotary Tools are compact handheld devices that, true to their name. Number 5. Hardell Mini Cordless. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile and compact power tool that comes with 61 accessories for various DIY tasks. It allows for carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, cutting, etching, and engraving. The tool features adjustable speed settings, a lightweight design, and a long running time. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced users, offering precise control and ease of use. The tool's quick USB charging and LED indicator enhance its convenience and visibility. Overall, the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool is a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. Number 4. Dremel Lite 7760N/10 4V Li-ion. The Dremel Lite 7760N 10 4V Li-ion cordless rotary tool is a versatile and lightweight tool designed for light-duty DIY and crafting projects. It comes with 10 accessories and features a quick accessory change system using the patented Easy Twist nose cap. The variable speed can be adjusted from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM for optimal control. The tool is powered by a rechargeable 4V Li-ion battery with USB charging capability. It's not recommended for cutting, drilling, or routing tasks. Additionally, there are accessory cases and carrying cases available for this tool. The Dremel Lite 7760N10 is a portable solution for a range of DIY and crafting applications. Number 3. Avid Power Cordless. The Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool is a versatile tool that comes with 60 pieces accessories and offers multiple speed options, including high and low speed gears. It features a variable speed indicator, providing better control over its 5,000 to 25,000 RPM range. The tool is powered by a 2.0Ah lithium-ion battery, which is rated positively for its battery life. The tool's packaging, overall performance, build quality, and value for money are well received according to customer reviews, with an average rating of 8.3. Its compact and lightweight design makes it suitable for delicate tasks, and it also includes 4 front LED lights to illuminate dark workspaces. Furthermore, the tool is praised for its comfortable grip and strong power output. Number 2. Dremel 8240 12V Cordless. The Dremel 8240 12V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a versatile and convenient toolset offered by Dremel. It includes a cordless rotary tool with variable speed control and a comfortable grip for ease of use. The kit also comprises a 2Ah battery pack, charger, 5 different accessories and a wrench, a tool fabric carry bag, and an instruction manual. The product has received positive feedback, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars from 7,135 ratings on Amazon. The report provides details about the product, its components, and its ratings, last updated on. Number 1. Dremel 4000 to 650 High. The Dremel 4000 to 650 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit with Flex Shaft is a versatile tool designed to provide maximum control over various projects. It features a high-performance motor that maintains consistent speed under load, along with a variable speed control ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM for precise work. The tool includes interchangeable accessories and attachments compatible with all Dremel rotary tool attachments. It offers a 360-degree soft grip for comfortable maneuverability, making it suitable for intricate tasks in tight spaces. In conclusion, when it comes to the realm of rotary tools, there are several exceptional options that stand out as the best. These tools, characterized by their versatility, precision, and performance, offer a world of possibilities for DIY enthusiasts, craftsmen, and professionals alike. The Dremel 8240 12V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit showcases the convenience of a cordless design, variable speed control, and a comfortable grip. With its comprehensive accessory kit and positive user reviews, it proves to be a reliable choice for a wide range of tasks.